Hello concert band brass players. I'm looking here at the second technical etude, the one in the middle of the page. I'll just remind you that you only need to pick one etude per side, so if you're already doing a different technical etude, you don't obviously also need to prepare this one. Before we start, you should make sure you have a pencil and your music, and hopefully your instrument as well, because you might want to play some of the things that we're going to talk about. That being said, I have to say, this is one of the most straightforward etudes ever, basically. It's not easy, but there's not a whole lot to do musically. So you'll notice we're in 3/4 time. Oops, we are in 3, not like that. We're in 3/4 time. We're going pretty fast. We're going 132 plus. And I would encourage you to get this one going even faster if you can. I think it sounds better a little bit faster. I will tell you this is not the entire etude, I just took part of it. So if it seems like an awkward ending, that's probably why. Anyways, this chunk we can divide really into two different sections. First half, second half. First half, really just marcato. Phrase with the line, so when the musical line goes up, higher notes, you get louder. When it goes down, you get softer. It's pretty straightforward, and there's actually not that much more to it than that. Make sure every note is really crisp and clean. This is a technical etude after all. So I'll demonstrate the first half of this etude, and you'll see what I mean. Just sort of a fanfare march marcato style. That is really all there is to it. Second half, very similar style, but it does get a little bit harder, right? So you've got all of these octave jumps. Well, not quite octaves in all the cases, but you're always going back down to that low C. Or low concert B flat, I should say. If this is giving you trouble, a good way to practice would be to play a concert E flat major scale. That's the key we're in, right? Play a concert E flat major scale, but put a low B flat, concert B flat, between each note, which is essentially exactly what you're doing in this etude. But try to get a really clean break between them. Don't get anything in the middle. So a marcato style and a good tongue will help with that as well. There's a little bit of phrasing in this one written in. You've got a decrescendo here as the line goes down, right? If you're looking at this musical line of the top notes, you're just going right down. And then crescendo, obviously this whole passage is going up. So you're going to crescendo up to that forte. So I'll go ahead and play the second half for you. So as you heard, it's really important that each note be exactly the same length. Good marcato, clean tongue, just everything very clean and crisp. So I really don't have that much more to say about it. It's really just a matter of doing it and executing those big leaps. So I'll play the entirety of it for you one more time. And other than that, have fun preparing this one. It's sort of fun to do those leaps once you can do them. And good luck.